Thinking about a premium 36 induction range? Miele just updated their induction ranges, but Wolf and SKS have done the same. Let's go over what makes this range special, where it falls short, whether it's the right fit for your kitchen. This version is a big upgrade from Miele's older 30-inch models, especially when it comes to flexibility. Previous version just had 4 standalone burners. Now you get a 3,700-watt center burner, plus bridge elements on either side. That means you can connect burners to form longer cooking zones. Perfect for griddles, say fish pans, or oblong dishes. It's a smart setup. It adapts to how you really cook. Miele's mTouch controls are fast and intuitive. Just tap the icons, choose your food, weight, and doneness. The oven takes it from there, calculating time and temperature. No timers to set, no guesswork. To bake bread, you'll love the 17 built-in recipes. Want it for kosher bread? Just hit a button. It's the kind of smart automation you actually will use. Steam is one of the best upgrades you can get in an electric oven. And only 2 brands are offered at this level, Miele and SKS. Miele is the most precise. You get the 17 steam-assisted modes for bread and up to 3 bursts of steam for roast. That added moisture makes a difference in flavor, especially since electric ovens tend to run dry. Miele's system's plumbed, so you'll never have to refill a tank. You do have to run a water line, which takes a little planning. SKS, on the other hand, uses a refillable reservoir. It just gives you high or low steam. Easier to install, but less exact. Both work, but if you bake a lot or roast often, Miele's steam system is a serious edge. Miele is one of the only ranges, along with Wolf and Fisher-Paykel, to use twin convection fans instead of just one. That gives you better air circulation, more even temperatures, and more consistent results across every rack in a larger 36-inch oven. Especially useful when you're baking on multiple trays. Even the racks are smarter. They stay in during self-clean. Small detail, but it saves time and effort. It's another example of how this range is built for real use, not just good looking in a showroom. Miele's oven is slightly smaller than Wolf and SKS. Wolf and SKS are both 6.3 cubic feet. Miele measures about 10% less at 5.76 cubic foot. Still, all 3 are among the largest you can buy in a 36-inch range. Miele's center burner is 3,700 watts, and just a few years ago, that was the highest output you could get. But it's no longer the leader. Wolf goes up to 5,500 watts, SKS reaches 7,000. That matters if you do a lot of high heat cooking or boil water in larger pots. That said, 3,700 watts is still plenty for most of cooking you'll do. With induction, you get the fast response and easy cleanup no matter what. Miele comes in stainless steel. Wolf also offers black or white and 5 knob selections. And if you want something bold, Blue Star will give you over 1,000 color choices and 6 trim options. But if you're after a statement finish, Miele won't give you that flexibility. Overall, Miele's 36-inch induction range is a major step forward. You can see in person in one of our 6 showrooms. In most cases, we can deliver the same or next day. If you're still deciding between Miele or Wolf or SKS, talk to one of our specialists. We're here to help you get it right the first time. We're here for service long after the sale. If you want to see how this range compares to the other best 36 induction ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.